only went at this video, can I share this video? I am here to tell you what Mathias should learn from Verydarkman. You know, he's not really my favorite kind of person, but at least I'm here to tell you something that Mathias should learn from VDM and the Okuro and Igbo. As far as running an NGO is concerned, I know that Okuro and Igbo are run a registered NGO, but Olu Amalaka on alo nyaka VDM bakwa na yeba nyaka mathematical nwa mama devela ya ho ni ifo na alo a long time ago. Now, one thing which I have constantly now about this young man and about mathematical, the associate here Igbo Love Themselves Charity Foundation from Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, a charity organization enwe structure, a charity organization enwe mmadụ akpọ fundraising nwere ndị na-abịa wete good reasonable. Look at VDM, because of how open or NGO here, accommodating everybody. He did not restrict it to a certain ethnic group, a certain religion, or a certain kind of people. He made it open and general. Just look, within the space of 48 hours or 3 days, and we go close to 200 million in that account. Take it down to Okuro and Igbo. Okuro and Igbo they raise 50 million, 60 million, 70 million within 24 hours. Can you fed between these two people? Mathematical is doing differently. Okuro and Igbo do open like a book to everybody. Ndị mmadụ nọ na ndị mmadụ Okuro and Igbo restrict nke etu ndị ụka, restrict nke etu ndị omenala, restrict nke etu ndị Yoruba, ndị Hausa, or anybody, meaning anybody is free to donate to that particular cause. But onye nke a bụ so timid, onye nke a bụ so timid, so timid that he thinks that a group of minority ndị ya na eme chekwe ya ndị nweghị ike mana the highest amount of money, about few of them, few among them nwere ike iweta 200,000, ma ndị n'obodo oyibo, ma ndị firu na ha na-ekwe n'aka like this with King Charles, and all just few out of them akpọ fundraising of ego eruho 1 million within 1 week. Ndị Mathias Ezeaku enwe ike iraise 400,000 n'ime, and n'ime 400,000 ahụ nwere ike 200,000 ọ matawo waja wetara ya, 200,000 ka ya atụkesisi between Humphrey na ndị ọzọ niile. Ifurifa na agwa, how can you continue to do one thing? How can you continue to do one thing? If you never had that, you will continue to be doing it. You should learn a lot from Okuro and Igbo and VDM. Learn a lot from them. Another thing you need to learn from them. Have you seen how accountable VDM? Have you seen how accountable, how transparent VDM? The same thing with Okuro and Igbo. Okuro and Igbo will give you account number of the person and a mail the thing. When the mother will work, you made that account. You got to go. When the mother will work, you made that particular account. Manankega yekwegume. Nkega yekwegume. Because name we feel name. Work with them whatever. Work with them puro. Money we feel name. You should learn something from these two people. Look at how they are flourishing. Hati ha fundraising, people are abia through. Wotego. Hati ha fundraising, people are abia through. Wotego. Hati ha fundraising, people are abia wotego. Because now how many open accommodate everybody. Go anaba with the minority of people. Ejiro 1 kobo na aba. Ejiro chiche. Ejiro kobo no so no kahaji. Anaha agafusioku. Anaha agafusioku. Na agafusioku. Na agafusioku. Talk is cheap. And you say ekwu. Murife from these people. mmadụ ka eji aka ahụ mana afọ m mmadụ ahụ within your circle. Mmadụ ka eji aka mana afọ m mmadụ ahụ within your circle. But fundraising 1 million within the space of 5 o nwere ụbọchị unu na-eme donation maka mama umushu for over 5, 6, 7 hours erasing ho 700,000. Go erasing when na-ajụ onwe m this charity organization nke ndị ụbịam nke ndị saba nke ndị sapa go nke ndị sapa. Make it open, take it away from your Allah umenana, take it away from that Allah umenana na one manon umunna ke chọrọ ije wenye nyeraka. Look at Seraphic Foundation, for instance. It is open to accommodate all. It is open for everybody. Nobody even want to know where you are coming from. But untu si hama nke ga ndị mana ndị nke ga enwe ego. Mana ndị nke ga enwe ego na ndị nwere ego no nwere ebe. Mana onwe one thing nchọrọ ikwu. People like VDM na ndị otu ya. Unaya da kune deceive onwe na fo kunu yesi welu asano nkota manunu ye jeze na ekeri ụmụazị. Afon kun yesi aso ebro na eri atoro. Every time Jesus Christ the God menka, Bible menka, pastors menka. But you people cannot waste time at telling somebody, may God bless you, may God replenish you, may God uplift you. Which God are you praying to come and uplift and bless somebody? The same God, equal I know, the powerless, that there's nothing they can do. Look at the kind of a billion Achawa to Don Jazzy and the other people who contributed. Which God were you praying? How else can God do that if not by miracle? How else can God do that if not by miracle? You are praying for Don Jazzy because he has given into your ministry. Now, when pastors pray for people because they have given into their own ministry, in no problem with that. Okay, for you, that is hypocrisy. At home, this content creator call your attention to this. You see, you people should stop making mockery of yourselves, because that is what I see you people making. Only making mockery of yourselves and not God. God bless you. God replenish you. You shall see no evil. You shall all handle dear on a matter that God can actually make people not to see evil. You know, man, that God can actually bless somebody. God can actually protect somebody. Olu handle dear on a matter that God is capable of doing all these things. Now tell me, what is different from what the pastors and what we appreciate? We're seeing this hypocrisy. Mathematical. Learn or something from Okuruora. This thing Verydarkman who made Okuruora an Igbo man that can pull that stunt. Okuruora decided to imepe NGO yeketa within 24 hours. He have 400 million na that account. It's your boy draw. It's your boy draw. Okuruora is actually number one. Even more than okay. We don't matter how powerful Okuruora and Igbo. Okuruora and Igbo very powerful. Okura raise 50 million within one day. Okura raise 50 million within one day. Mana Verydarkman raise 30 million within one day. If you raise about between something million within one day. Or Ogane Wotazaka na the third day or the fourth day. Kegobia. And if not because na Don Jazzy pump Lego once. Till today, Oka Okwa 70 something million. Jan Okura Orike, not easy. Jan Okura Orike, not easy. Okura decide there to open an NGO today. Within 24 hours, you will see 400 or 500 million in that account. I can assure you that. Jan Okura Orike, nke egosigono na mmadụ na akibe. Okura number one before any other person. Mathias should learn from these two people. There is a lot only he learn from these two people. That is why they are able to convince people to bring money. I have not claimed to possess such a gift, but these people do. They have shown that they do. Which Mathias has proven that no way and double no way that goodwill. That is what he should learn from these people. I'm waiting for you people. Piano won't make corner when you call one or coach on will gain our one. I'm on them. Get me. Kamu katon zoro bita we mwa yenisi yeruana mwa yenisi yeruana so anyake ya de mo we fi yemem can't do anything. You can't do anything.